All right, so we are going to talk about using different types of brushes for Photoshop. All right, so we are in Canvas, and I also have a piece of paper. You have a video that you can watch, and I am showing this in class. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to this website and find 5 different types of brushes that you're going to use in Photoshop. So first thing, go to breezy.com or click on the link. And there is a lot of things here. They have more than just a brush. So what I would do is I would type in a brush, and then you have more to look at. You can keep hitting next. There's 105. Or maybe you have a vision. Maybe you want to make a picture about the wilderness. So you can honestly do like a tree brush and search. So let's say I'm going to get the ivy. So I'm going to click on the ivy. Then I see free download. So then I'm going to click on the download. It says, do you want it faster? No. So X that out, click on it again, and now it will download. And once it downloads, you will see that down at the bottom of your computer, or you can go to the top right where they have the 3 dots, go into your downloads. Okay. So after you download, you got to go in your downloads. Then you have to open it. So double click, and this comes up. Let's see. There is Ivy Photoshop brushes. So it's a square with like 3 lines. I'm going to double click it, and it will automatically go into Adobe Photoshop. So right now, everyone needs to find different types of brushes, and you need to download them. Okay. On the paper that is sitting next to you, download 5 different brushes from Brusheezy. Brusheezy? Think of a topic, think of a theme, and you need to download the brush, then go into the downloads and open it up. So this is one example. There's a different brush for the leaves, rain, probably for the grass, different brushes all together. I can show you some examples. Let's see. Desktop. My design class. Okay. So if you wanted to see what other people are doing, if you go into brush art, I have several people that have made it very creative. Here we have a stamp or a brush for the eyes. Then we have trees, birds. So really, you just need to download and look for 5 different brushes. The key is to open them, though. A lot of you are not opening them. So once you have them in your downloads, okay, once you downloaded it, you need to go back into your downloads and you need to double click, and then you need to open it and it will go into Photoshop. So please go do that now.